Torrential rain over the past 2 days has left Karnataka battling widespread flooding, with Bengaluru witnessing its heaviest downpour of the season. Chief Minister Siddaramaiah and Deputy CM D.K. Shivkumar visited multiple affected areas, including severely waterlogged areas, promising swift stormwater drain upgrades and immediate relief measures. The India Meteorological Department IMD on Tuesday issued a red alert for the entire state, forecasting further heavy to extremely heavy rainfall, especially in coastal and Ghat regions. The state has already seen gusty winds, lightning, and thunder showers that disrupted normal life across districts. Amid this, tragedy struck in Bengaluru's Whitefield when a 35-year-old woman named Shashikala died after a wall collapsed on her due to incessant rainfall that lasted over 6 hours on Sunday night. Expressing sorrow on X, CM Siddaramaiah announced Rs 5 lakh compensation to her family and called for urgent upgrades to drainage systems in vulnerable areas. As the crisis deepens, public scrutiny intensified on Wednesday when a red carpet laid for the CM's visit to HBR layout was hastily removed after drawing sharp criticism. The BBMP East Zonal Commissioner personally supervised its removal, emphasizing that optics must not overshadow relief work.
My officers are working very hard. We have put all them on 24 hours. They are working out. We are sorting out all the problems. Rain, we expected that such type of rain will come. Compared to last year, it is a very big hue and cry. But now whatever the deaths has happened, two has been happened accidentally because of the electrode trying to operate the motor. And I am taking a policy decision in the state that wherever this low-lying area is there, in future we will not allow them to have the underground parking facilities. So we will allow them to go higher. Whatever the parking also, they will have to go higher, not be underground, because you see that more water is being flowing around the place, including shipping roads. So we are taking a new policy. Wherever the low-lying area is there, we will not allow any underground parking to be done. This is the decision more or less we are taking. But I appeal to all of them, be calm, nothing to worry. This is a very important city. We are there to sort out the problem. We are committed to the development of Bangalore. We are looking at all the widening of the roads, the traffic problem, and underground sewage, and the new roads will be created. Recently, trains, these major issues we are taking to sort out.